Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and welcome to Miles and Memories. This is the final episode of my Scandinavia trip where I'm going to explore Copenhagen. So I took a ferry from Oslo to Copenhagen and I'll be staying in Copenhagen for next 2 days. So in these next 2 days I'll be exploring the places such as Rosenborg Castle. We'll be taking a Nihan walk where they have the beautiful colorful buildings, and then there is a canal boat tour that we'll be taking, and the Tivoli Gardens. So these are the places that we are going to explore in next 2 days, and if the time permits, there is a street called Strogate Street, which is famous for shopping in Copenhagen, so we'll be exploring that too. So if you're interested to explore the Copenhagen with me, watch the video till the end and let me know your thoughts, your feedbacks in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to Miles and Memories, please do subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. Let's explore the Copenhagen now. This is the room for Copenhagen that we have got. This is A&O Hotel. But unlike the other hotels, they charged us 105 DKK for early check-in. But the room looks spacious than the other rooms. So that is the good part here. So now we have reached Nihan's Canal walk. So this is the signature area of Denmark where they have the colorful buildings. So whenever you search Copenhagen on Google, this is the area Google shows. So this canal boat starts at 5:30. Right now it is 5:15 and this is the boat. It's gonna be 1 hour ride through the canals of Copenhagen. So after the canal boat ride, right now we are at the Museum of Illusion. This is the day 2 in Copenhagen. Yesterday, after the Museum of Illusions, we could not explore anything as we were very tired. And today we are starting our day with the Copenhagen Zoo. So we'll be heading to the zoo right now. After that we'll be going to the Tivoli Gardens, and then we'll be going to the home of Carlsberg. So this is the plan for today. And about this zoo, so this is one of the oldest zoo in Europe, and they have more than 3,000 animals in the premise. So let's explore that. So here they have made the tropical environment. It is little warm than outside, and the species that are from the tropical forests, they are kept here. For example, there is supposed to be this monkey, but I am not able to spot him. They are the little birds, very colorful birds. The zoo of Copenhagen is an amazing experience. Everyone traveling to Copenhagen must try this one. So they have the animals, species which are rare in India, like penguins. We could see the penguins, we could see the small sized monkeys, there were massive lions, we could see the pandas for the first time. So it was an overall very good experience. And the next destination for us is Tivoli Gardens. So Tivoli Gardens is one of the oldest amusement park in Denmark. So let's explore that. Park. And here we have reached the Tivoli Gardens. So the entry for this Tivoli is included in our Copenhagen pass, but few of the rides inside, they are not included. So we have to pay separately for them. And this is the entrance. So Tivoli Gardens is okay, it can be experienced once. It's not that great, and along with the Copenhagen pass you just get the entry but not the ride pass. So if you want to get yourself a ride pass, it will cost you 299 Danish krones, and that will give you unlimited access to all the available rides. And we did not get that. We just purchased one ticket for one roller coaster ride, and that cost us 66 krones. And now after the Tivoli Gardens, we are heading to the home of Carlsberg, and we took a train from there, and now we are on our way. So from the train station, it is about 450 meters walk.
Hey guys, just grab yourself a beer. Come on up, guys. Come on in. We're friendly, I promise. Home of Carlsberg. It was a good experience. The best part of it was beer tasting. It is 1.5 hour self-guided tour, which you need to finish in 15 minutes, and then you need to get to the bar where you can find free beer. So one glass of free beer is included in the pass. So yes, it was amazing. This Scandinavian trip is finally coming to an end. This is the last evening in Copenhagen. It was a 12 days trip and we explored Sweden, Denmark and Norway. In Norway we went to Oslo and Tromsø, which were beautiful cities. And in Copenhagen there were multiple museums and the parks that we explored. And right now we are going to a party or a nightlife street of Copenhagen. We'll be exploring that right now. So if you're watching it till here and if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to Miles and Memories, subscribe to the channel right now and go check out the other videos of my Scandinavia series. And if you have any feedbacks, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Signing off.